Today we are looking at second-order homogeneous differential equations with constant coefficients. The general form is a times y double prime plus b times y prime plus c times y equals 0, where a, b and c are constant numbers. If we try a solution of the form y equals e to the power of rx and substitute it in, every term picks up a factor of e to the power of rx, which cancels out. This leaves behind an ordinary equation in R, called the characteristic equation, a times r squared plus b times r plus c equals 0. Let's solve a specific example. Consider y double prime minus 5 times y prime plus 6 times y equals 0. Here a equals 1, b equals -5, and c equals 6, so the characteristic equation is r squared minus 5r plus 6 equals 0. This factors nicely as the quantity r minus 2 times the quantity r minus 3 equals 0. Setting each bracket to 0 gives two roots, r equals 2 or r equals 3. Since we have two different real roots, the general solution is a sum of two exponential terms, y equals a constant times e to the power of 2x plus another constant times e to the power of 3x. It is worth knowing that there are three possible cases for these roots overall. Two different real roots, which we just saw, one repeated real root, or a pair of complex roots. Each case gives a differently shaped solution curve. Now let's check our answer. Differentiate y twice, take the first derivative, then differentiate again to get the second derivative. Substitute y, e prime, and e double prime back into the original equation, y double prime minus 5, y prime plus 6y. After collecting terms, everything cancels to 0, confirming that our solution, y equals a constant times e to the power of 2x plus another constant times e to the power of 3x, is correct.